Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to have you here today. We're going to explore an important topic, reducing dependency on third-party AI models. Our focus will be on strategies, risks, and benefits of building internal AI capabilities. Over the next few slides, I'll walk you through how organizations can develop their own AI expertise, the potential challenges, and the advantages of doing so. Let's dive in and see how we can take control of our AI future. Let's talk about why many businesses are choosing to reduce their dependency on third-party AI models. First, more companies are aiming to develop their own self-managed AI capabilities. This shift allows them to have greater control over their AI systems, which better aligns with their strategic goals and compliance requirements. Essentially, it helps them stay in line with regulations and internal policies. Another key point is the escalating costs associated with relying on external AI providers. As demand for these models grows, so do the expenses. Plus, dependence on outside vendors can limit flexibility, making it harder to adapt quickly or innovate. This vendor lock-in can become a significant hurdle for many organizations. Lastly, there's a growing concern around data privacy and security. When companies rely heavily on external AI solutions, they risk exposing sensitive information. Taking control of their AI infrastructure helps them safeguard their data better and addresses the increasing privacy concerns in today's digital landscape. Overall, these reasons are driving a strategic shift toward more self-managed, secure, and cost-effective AI solutions that better serve their unique needs. Let's talk about some of the risks involved when we rely on third-party AI models, starting with data privacy and security. When we use external AI vendors, it can complicate our ability to stay compliant with regulations like GDPR and CCPA. These laws require us to carefully protect user data, and involving third parties adds a layer of complexity to that process. There have been real-world incidents where vulnerabilities have been exposed because data was processed outside of our controlled environments. These cases remind us that external data processing can introduce security gaps that hackers or malicious actors might exploit. Such vulnerabilities can lead to serious consequences, including data breaches or misuse of sensitive information. This not only results in regulatory penalties, but also damages customer trust, something that's hard to rebuild once lost. Sending sensitive data to external AI services raises significant privacy concerns. We need to be cautious about what information we share and ensure we have robust safeguards in place. Ultimately, while third-party AI models offer many benefits, we have to weigh those against the potential privacy and security risks. Reducing our dependency on external vendors can give us more control and help us better protect our data and our customers. When considering the use of third-party AI models, it's important to understand some of the risks involved. One major concern is vendor lock-in and control. Relying heavily on a single vendor can lead to a situation where your business becomes dependent on their technology and policies. This can be problematic if they decide to change their policies unexpectedly, which could disrupt your operations. Another issue is unpredictable pricing and service terms. When you're locked into a vendor, it can be difficult to anticipate how costs might change over time, making budgeting a real challenge. There are also challenges in adapting these AI models to meet your specific needs or to respond quickly to shifting market conditions. Off-the-shelf models might not be flexible enough, and customizing them can be complex and costly. Finally, dependence on a single AI vendor reduces your control over the AI's behavior and limits your options for customization. This can restrict your ability to tailor AI solutions precisely to your business requirements, which is a key consideration as you look to maintain agility and innovation in your operations. All of these points highlight why reducing dependency on third-party AI models can be a strategic move to retain more control and flexibility in your AI initiatives. Now, let's talk about some of the risks associated with relying on third-party AI models. One major challenge is the cost and performance issues that can arise. When we depend on external providers, it can actually reduce our overall ROI and slow down our innovation process. That's because these models often come with limitations that restrict our ability to customize them fully. This restricted customization means we're not always able to optimize the AI to fit our unique workflows or work with our specific data sets. As a result, the model's performance can suffer. Since they aren't tailored to our particular business context, they might not deliver the best results. Another critical point is the cost structure. Many third-party AI services charge high fees, and these costs can be unpredictable. They often depend on usage volume and data processing, which can lead to unexpected expenses that eat into our budget. So, while third-party models offer quick access to advanced AI, these challenges highlight why reducing dependency on them can be beneficial for maintaining control, optimizing costs, and ensuring our solutions are precisely aligned with our needs. Let's talk about reducing our dependency on third-party AI models. It's really important to have strong oversight in place to ensure we're staying compliant, using AI ethically, and making sure everything aligns with our organizational policies. This helps us maintain control and trust in the AI systems we rely on. Now, when it comes to ensuring compliance and ethical AI use, we can't overlook legal considerations. Things like intellectual property rights and liability need to be addressed right from the start. If we don't clarify these up front, we might face legal challenges down the line. That's where establishing clear contracts and defining data handling protocols come into play. These are crucial for setting expectations and safeguarding our data. Plus, continuous risk assessment is key. Things change, and we need to stay vigilant to manage new risks as they arise. Finally, I want to emphasize the importance of AI governance frameworks. Having a solid framework in place is essential for overseeing AI use effectively. It helps us mitigate risks associated with third-party models and keeps our AI initiatives aligned with our broader organizational goals. This way, we maintain control and ensure responsible AI deployment throughout our organization. Let's take a closer look at the benefits of building in-house AI capabilities. First, in-house AI enables solutions that are specifically designed to address our unique business challenges. This means we can tailor our AI tools to fit our exact needs, rather than relying on generic solutions. It also supports faster iteration cycles, allowing us to test, refine, and deploy new features more quickly. Plus, it facilitates better integration with our existing systems, ensuring everything works seamlessly together. By fostering innovation tailored to our specific challenges, in-house AI reduces our dependence on external vendors. This gives us more control over the development process and the direction of our AI initiatives. For example, companies like J.P. Morgan Chase have invested heavily in building proprietary AI tools. This has led to improved efficiency and significant cost savings, showing how internal development can really pay off. Finally, developing our own AI teams enhances our control over data, allows for more precise model customization, and strengthens security. Overall, building in-house AI capabilities offers strategic advantages that align with our long-term goals and give us a competitive edge. Now, let's talk about establishing internal AI infrastructure and some real-world success stories. One of the key benefits of building your own AI environment is reducing dependency on third-party models. These examples clearly show the strategic advantage of managing your AI systems in-house. Having internal infrastructure allows for better data governance and more tailored customization, perfectly aligned with your company's specific goals. This control leads to improved operational management, less reliance on costly external services, and ultimately, better AI performance. Organizations like the Washington Post, Walmart, Dropbox, and Klarna have successfully built their own internal AI systems, demonstrating that this approach is both feasible and highly effective. So, the main takeaway here is that investing in your own AI infrastructure can deliver significant operational and financial benefits while giving you greater control and flexibility. Now, let's look at how leveraging open source AI models can help us reduce our dependency on third-party solutions. This strategy is really about giving organizations the flexibility to adapt quickly and stay competitive in a fast-changing landscape. By using open source models, companies can avoid being locked into a single vendor, which means they can innovate faster and respond more agilely to new challenges. One effective approach is to adopt a hybrid strategy, combining open source solutions with internal development. This way, you get the best of both worlds: the ability to innovate rapidly while maintaining control over your core AI capabilities, reducing reliance on external vendors. Another key benefit is improved data security. With open source models, data can be processed on premises or within private clouds, giving organizations greater control over sensitive information and reducing exposure to external threats. And of course, open source AI models offer significant flexibility and cost advantages. They can be customized to fit specific needs, which means businesses aren't limited by the constraints of commercial solutions. Instead, they can tailor their AI tools, optimize performance, and manage costs more effectively. Overall, this approach aligns perfectly with our goal of creating more resilient, secure, and innovative AI strategies that put us in a stronger position in the market.